Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Situational English Talks, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily. Hello, everyone. It's wonderful to be with you all today. I'm Paul, and I'm very happy to be here.
I'm happy you're here too, Paul. How are you today?
I'm doing great, thank you. The sun is shining. It's a beautiful day. How about you, Emily?
I'm very well, thank you. And I'm excited for our topic today. It's something we all do.
Ooh, that sounds interesting. What are we talking about?
Today, we're going to talk about the grocery store.
Ah, the grocery store. Yes, that's a very useful topic. We all need to buy food.
Exactly. We'll talk about the words and phrases you can use when you go shopping for groceries.
That's a fantastic idea. But before we begin our shopping trip, we have a small request for our amazing listeners.
Yes, if you enjoy our podcast, please subscribe to Situational English Talks. It really helps us a lot. And don't forget to give this episode a like and share it with your friends who are also learning English.
Your support means so much. All right, Emily, are you ready to go to the grocery store?
I sure am. Do you have your shopping list?
Of course, I'm always organized. I need some fruit, apples and bananas, and a little yogurt.
Nice and healthy. My list is a bit longer. Milk, eggs, bread, chicken for dinner, and some carrots.
Chicken and carrots. That sounds delicious. Okay, let's imagine we're walking into the grocery store right now.
Perfect. We walk in through the big glass doors. What's the first thing we need?
Something to carry our food. A shopping cart or a basket.
Exactly. A cart has wheels and a basket you carry. Which one will you take, Paul?
A basket for me. I don't have much to buy.
I will take the cart then. My list is long.
Good plan. Let's start with the fruit and vegetable section. It's usually near the entrance.
Oh, yes. It's so colorful. Reds, greens, yellows. Look at these apples.
There are red and green ones. I like the red apples. They're sweeter.
Same here. How many do you need?
4 should be good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Done.
Great. What's next on your list?
Bananas. I see them near the oranges. I'll take this yellow bunch.
Perfect. So your fruit is done. Now my turn. I need carrots.
They're right here next to the potatoes.
Nice and orange. I'll grab a bag. Okay, fruits and veggies done.
Now we need to find the dairy section. That's usually at the back of the grocery store.
Yes, and it's always cold there. Brr. I see the milk. I'll get a big carton. My family drinks a lot with cereal.
Good choice. And the eggs are right next to it. A dozen should be enough.
Perfect. And now you need yogurt, right?
Yes, I'll take 2 small strawberry yogurts.
Yum, that's my favorite too.
All right, dairy shopping done. What's next?
Bread. Let's find the bakery section. I can already smell the fresh bread.
Yes, I love that smell.
I'll take 1 loaf of soft white bread. Oh, wait, look at those chocolate cookies.
They do look good. Maybe a small bag?
Just a treat. Okay, cookies are in the cart.
Now we need chicken for dinner. Let's go to the meat counter. It's near the back.
Here we are. I'll say, hello, can I please have 2 chicken breasts?
Perfect. And they'll weigh and wrap it for you.
Thank you. Okay, chicken done. Let's see, my list is complete.
And mine too. Apples, bananas, yogurt, check.
But I'm a little thirsty after all this shopping.
Me too. Let's go to the drinks aisle. That's aisle 7. Here we are.
Wow, so many drinks. I'll take orange juice.
I'll grab a big bottle of water. Okay, we've got everything.
Now, time to pay. Let's go to the checkout at the front of the grocery store.
Look, some lanes are express for 10 items or less.
You can use that one with your basket.
I'll wait with you. You have the cart.
Thank you. Okay, let's put our items on the conveyor belt. Milk, eggs, bread, chicken, carrots, cookies, water.
And my apples, bananas, yogurt, and juice.
Hello?
Hello? Did you find everything you were looking for?
Yes, thank you.
Beep, beep, beep. Your total is $32.45.
Can I pay by card?
Of course. Insert your card here.
Beep. Done.
Would you like a bag for your groceries?
Yes, please. 2 plastic bags are fine.
Here you go. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you, you too.
Wow, that was a perfect checkout conversation.
You were a great cashier, Paul. That was fun. And now we have all our food.
Yes, a successful shopping trip. And we practiced lots of useful English.
We really did. We talked about a shopping list, a cart, a basket, and the sections: fruits, dairy, bakery, and meat.
And we learned polite phrases like excuse me and please.
Exactly. And if you can't find something, just ask, "Excuse me, where can I find the pasta?"
Yes, people are always happy to help. Going to the grocery store is great English practice.
Absolutely. You see signs, talk to people, and use real English. I hope our listeners found this helpful.
I'm sure they did. And now I'm hungry after all that food talk.
Me too. I'm ready for my yogurt.
And I'm ready to cook that chicken and carrots for dinner.
That brings us to the end of today's episode. We had so much fun with you all. Please subscribe to Situational English Talks so you don't miss our next episode.
And if you enjoyed our trip to the grocery store, give this episode a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family.
Tell us in the comments, what's one thing you always buy at the grocery store?
Mine is coffee.
And mine is cheese. I love cheese.
Great choices.
All right, everyone, keep practicing your English. And remember, learning can be easy and fun.
Until next time, goodbye.
Bye, everyone. Take care.